Hey guys, I'm Gisela and welcome to my channel where I give reviews and honest opinions about beauty products, some tutorials and beauty tips. So today I will be showing you two of my favorite makeup items from 100% Pure. If you're someone who's looking for a natural look, organic makeup, and something that will give your skin glow, these are the ones that you should get. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you how much I love this brand and how this has changed my life, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bronzer. The one that I get for my skin tone is called Cocoa Glow, and I'm going to show you right here. And as you can tell, I use this a lot. They have different shades for different skin colors. I love this one, and it's very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. I have it on right now, as you can tell, it's right here. And what is great about this is that it's colored from cocoa beans, berries, and coffee pigments. It does not smell like coffee. It doesn't have any smell. It's just a coloring. They get it from these fruits, which I think is amazing. The ingredients include blueberries, vitamin E, vitamin C, lavender, peach, tomato, sea butter, apricot. Everything is made out with fruits and vegetables, which it's the best thing for your skin. Instead of, you know, putting chemicals and something that will make you break out, this is the best option. It actually changed my life because I used to break out a lot, and most of my makeup were from different companies that use a lot of chemicals, and it made my skin break out a lot. I have acne problems, so it wasn't helping my skin at all. But ever since I started using this, it actually helped my skin look better, look healthy. So now, of course, you cannot have bronzer without the highlighter. So this is the Gem Luminizer. The color is Rose Gold. It's right here. I do have it on right now. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love how natural makes me look. It has a very nice glow. I'm just gonna put a little more so you guys can see. Yes, so I absolutely love this. So the same thing. It's made out of mostly the same ingredients. It has rice, it has avocado butter, cranberry, mineral stones, natural mineral stone, vitamin E, vitamin C. It has mostly the same ingredients. So these two are my favorite items from 100% Pure. The bronzer and the luminizer is amazing, so you should go and check it out. And I'm not going to lie, I do have makeup that, you know, that it's not organic, but I'm slowly turning into the whole organic scene. So far, I absolutely love it. Why would you want to put chemicals on your skin when you can try makeup that it's colored with fruits and vegetables, which makes your skin look healthier and more natural, which I think is very important. So once again, if you want to try this makeup, just remember it is 100% vegan, organic, and cruelty-free, which is really important. Also, they do take returns, so even if you have used it for a couple of weeks or even a month and you don't like the results or you're not happy with it, they give you your money back. They don't care, which is amazing. Their customer service is great. I've never had a problem with them. So this was the bronzer. So go and check them out and let me know your opinions on this. I think they are $37 each on their website, which I think is a reasonable price for organic makeup. I think it's totally worth it. So now that I've shown you my two favorite organic bronzer and highlighter, I hope you really liked my video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. See you next week.